everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this most popular face mask from Good Vibes. So this is the Good Vibes Papaya Glow face mask, and I have purchased this 1 month ago and I have used it a couple of times. So now I am ready to give the proper review of this face mask. So if you are interested to know how this face mask works for me and whether you should buy it or not and the price and all the other details, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, Good Vibes is a very good brand and it is available mainly in purplle.com, and I have bought this face mask from purplle.com 1 month ago, and I have tried this on my face for 5 to 6 times and I really like this one. So I am sharing this review because you guys also want to have some amazing face masks for your skin. So this is the Good Vibes Papaya Glow face mask, and these don't have any parabens and SLS and mineral oils. So this face mask is free from all those bad things. So all the most of the Good Vibes products don't have parabens, SLS and mineral oils in it, and these products are also cruelty free, so that's a yay point. So this product retails for 235 rupees only, and I have bought this on 176 rupees. So in purplle.com you will find such amazing deals every now and then, so you can surely keep on waiting and check out for the deals. So guys, the rules of applying this face mask is pretty simple like the other face masks available in the market. So you have to apply this on your face, avoiding your eye area and your lips, and you have to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you have to just rinse it off. So it's that simple guys. So I am going to apply this on my face and show you guys how this works on me, and trust me guys, I really like this one. This doesn't give me any type of rashes or pimples or any skin irritation. I really like this one, and after applying it, sometimes I feel a little bit of tingling sensation around my nose and mouth area, and it just goes after 15 to 20 seconds, and that's it guys. After that my face feels really very cool and calm, and I really like this one for that. And after I wash off my face feels very clear, and it really gives a nice glow. So I really like this one, and I will highly recommend this face mask to you. So I am oily skin, and I'm just letting you know because you can surely relate to my skin type if you are of my skin type. So I have very sensitive and acne prone skin, and my skin is oily in summer, and in winter it becomes kind of combination type. So in winters my T-zone remains oily and the rest of my face remains kind of dry, not very much dry, but yeah, it becomes a little bit dry. So that's that. So I really like this one. A big thumbs up for this face mask. And guys, these face masks are also available in other variants. So I also have some of them, but I am still in the process of trying them because I have just tried them once or twice. So I can give the proper review of those face masks. But I have used these face masks pretty good, as you can see. It's almost half empty, and it really has a very nice smell to it. The smell is not very overpowering, so if you are kind of sensitive to fragrances, I don't think that this is going to irritate you because the fragrance is pretty subtle. So that's that. So the packaging is also very nice guys, as you can see. By the way guys, this is not a glass tub, this is plastic, though it looks like glass, but this is not glass. So the packaging is quite nice. It has a golden cap to it, so you have to remove it and then you get another lid, and here is the mask. So guys, I have removed my makeup and washed my face with my face wash. Now I am going to apply this mask on my face. So guys, now that my mask is on, and I am going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that you have to wash your face with some lukewarm water. So I am going to do that, and then I will come back to you guys. So guys, I have washed my face, and as you can see, my skin is looking much fresh and my skin is really feeling soft and nice. I really love the effect. And if you feel dry when applying this mask or after applying this mask, you can surely add some glycerin or some aloe vera gel to it, and even some rose water, and then you will not feel any dryness on your face. And one more thing guys, after washing off your face, after applying any mask, you should apply any serum or any moisturizer to make your skin much softer. So that's a tip, and that's all about the review of this product. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links will be in the description box below. And do let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share your comments with me. I will really like that. And also share my videos with your friends if you think that this video is going to be useful for them also. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.